Hello everybody, this is Mario and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to learn how we can resize pictures using Sharp. Anyway, before going on, please do me a favor. Like the video if you find the content useful and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all my updates. With that out of the way, let's jump into the code. Alright, we are now back to our favorite text editor, which is Atom. First of all, we are going to import Sharp, which is the npm package that we are going to use to resize pictures. Let's do it. It's going to be const sharp equal require sharp. That's it. Now we are ready to use Sharp to resize pictures. In order to perform this task, we will code a specific function, which I'm going to paste from my repo, a function which is called Resize Picture. This function takes two arguments, target and destination. The first one, target, is the file that we want to resize. Destination is going to be the output of this resizing operation. Now, inside the function, we're going to write sharp. We will pass in the target, meaning the file that we want to resize. We will call the resize method, and inside we will pass an object. This object will have only one property in our case, which is height, and we will set it to 500. This means that Sharp will resize whatever file we pass to it, and it will make sure that the destination file, meaning the output, will have a final height of 500. After that, we are going to write .toFile, and we will pass into it the destination, so that Sharp will know that the final resized picture is going to be named whatever thing we passed to the reduce picture function as destination argument. Anyway, since this task is asynchronous, meaning that we know where it starts, but we don't really know when it's going to end, we will tack on the .then method, and we will pass in a function so that after the file has been resized to the desired height of 500 pixels, our function will take care of deleting the target file, which we don't need any longer because we have already compressed it and we now have the reduced picture, which is the destination file. To delete the target file, we're going to use fs, which is built-in functionality, file system functionality of Node.js, and we will use the unlink sync method, passing in the target file. Of course, we will also tack in the .catch method to catch any error in this process in case one occurs, and we are going to console log the error in case there is one. Now our function is complete, and we are finally able to use it in our route. So we scroll down, we go to the upload route over here, and right here we will call the function reduce picture. Now we have to pass into the function target and destination, but we are not ready yet to do that, so we will just pass in two placeholders which we are going to call x and y. X is the target and y is the destination. Now we must define over here in the route what these targets and destinations are. More specifically, first of all, we are going to define our target. To do that, we are going to create a new variable, which is going to be const original file, and we are going to make it equal to this, which is the file uploaded by the user. We will copy that and we will paste it right here. So now we can take care of the destination file. In order to do that, I will copy and paste some code from my repo, like that. Basically, we're going to take the original file variable, which is a string, and we're going to split. We're going to use the dot as a delimiter. The idea is to separate the whole file path from the file extension and store these two pieces into an array which is file split, right? Then we're going to take the first part of the string, meaning the first element of the array. Here we are, file split 0. We're going to add the word small and a timestamp to it so that our destination file is going to be unique. We will add once again the dot, and then we will add the file extension once again, which is going to be file split 1, meaning the second element of the array. With this out of the way, we can now pass the arguments to the reduce picture function. So we're going to pass original file as a first argument. This is going to be the target, and we are going to pass small file argument as our destination. Anyway, there is still a little problem. You see, over here, it is still the original file uploaded by the user, which is going to be saved into MongoDB as file path to display the picture in the front end. And we don't want that because this file will not exist anymore. We are going to take care of that. So we will cut this like that. We will paste it once again over here, and we are getting rid of this, and we are going to replace it with small file, which is what we really want to save into MongoDB, right? At this point, we can test our application once again, and if everything goes as planned, we will be able not only to upload the picture, but we will upload it, we will resize it to make it 500 pixel high, and we will delete the original file that was initially uploaded by the user. Let's give it a go. Okay, once again we are inside our app and we will perform the test. So let's add the book. We will add Brave New World, written by Aldous Huxley. We are going to add the picture. Okay, it got uploaded. Let's see. Oh, something went wrong. Let's check the code to see what went wrong. Okay, let's check out over here in our folder. We see that the file has been uploaded really. But if you look at the file size over here, we see that our software didn't manage to resize it. We can check out also the console, very useful always when something goes wrong. And we can see that it gives us a hint. It says unable to open file, and it gives us the file path, which happens to be malformed. If you look at it, this is not the way it's supposed to look. So let's see what's going on. Let's go back to the code. Let's check over here how we formed our file path for the small file destination argument. And we see that we have file path 0, small, very weird. Let's check it here. All right, here we go. Basically, file path contains not the dot at the beginning, not only the one before the file extension. So basically, we chain together the wrong elements of the file split array. Let's correct it quickly. It should be like that. So a dot at the beginning, and then the second element of the array, then small, then the date, then the dot, and then the third and final element of the array. Now it should work. Let's give it a go. Okay, we're ready to try once again, but before doing anything, let's get rid of this junk that we have here. So the book that we just uploaded, yeah, and we will also delete it from here. And now if we refresh, all the junk disappeared. We are ready for a new attempt. So it's going to be Brave New World. Author, it's always Aldous Huxley. Great book, by the way. We upload the picture, select the picture, okay, add, boom. This time it seems that it worked. Let's check out the file system. Alright, yeah, you see the name has been changed. Here is the timestamp, here is the small world. And if we check the files, now we have a picture with a height of 500 pixels, which is what we wanted. And best of all, we also managed to delete the original file uploaded by the user so that we don't waste additional space in our server. That's great, isn't it? And with that, we made it to the end of our video. We learned how to resize pictures uploaded by users. In the next video, we will learn how you can show to the users how the upload is progressing. In the meantime, thank you for watching.